Alright, how is it going, my faggots? Yes, this is like, this is gonna be my third video up, and today we're gonna be doing another food review. Wow, two in one day. That's pretty good. Alright, today we're going to be doing a quesadilla review. Whew, isn't that epic? And yeah, it's just some yellow cheese with some low fat tortilla. It's green, that means low fat, so that's pretty good. It looks weird, it looks like the Grinch, huh? So I'm just gonna call it the Grinch tortilla or some shit like that. Right, let's take a bite, shall we? And see how it tastes. Look at that faggot right there. Mmm. Tastes like a quesadilla. Not bad. Man, haven't tried a quesadilla in a while. Would I recommend this? Fuck yeah, it's a quesadilla. It must be crazy if you don't like quesadillas. It's gonna fit that way. That was pretty good. Right, the cheese was just right. I cooked it myself. Yeah, I did a good job. Proud of myself. Tortilla, just like a regular tortilla, and that's basically it. I would recommend this 100%. Who wouldn't eat a green quesadilla? Am I right? I might low-key finish it all, but nah. When you're trying the just the green tortilla by itself, it tastes a bit different. Yeah. Well, this has been it. Chief Omega Lol, of course. Yeah, so like, subscribe for episode 5. And yeah, oh yeah, and thanks for all the support, guys. I appreciate those comments, especially you, Alex. I'm looking at you. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it a lot. It really keeps me going, gives me motivated. And yeah, keep that support coming, and I'll see you guys later.